Is your Tempur-Pedic bed remote not working? Let's start with the most common fixes that solve 90% of remote issues. First, replace the remote's batteries. This is the most common cause of remote problems. Make sure to insert the batteries with the correct polarity, positive and negative ends in the right direction. Next, verify that your adjustable base is properly plugged into a working power outlet. Test the outlet by plugging in another device like a lamp to make sure it's receiving power. Also, check that all cords are securely connected to the base. Make sure no bedding or other items are blocking the bed's movement mechanisms. The most common issue is the child lock feature being accidentally activated. This prevents the remote from working even when everything else is fine. To unlock the remote, try these button combinations. First method, press and hold the head down and foot down buttons together for 3 seconds until the remote backlight flashes twice. Alternative method, press and hold the head up and foot up buttons simultaneously. Or try holding the foot up and foot down buttons together for 3 to 5 seconds. You may need to repeat these steps if the remote seems stuck in a limbo state. Try each method until the remote responds normally. These initial troubleshooting steps solve most remote issues. If your remote still isn't working, we'll cover advanced solutions in the next section. If basic troubleshooting didn't resolve your remote issues, we'll now explore advanced solutions including resetting your base, repairing your remote, and getting customer support. The first advanced step is to reset your adjustable base. This process clears any temporary glitches in the system. First, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. This completely disconnects power from the base. Wait exactly 1 minute. This waiting period allows all electrical components to fully discharge and reset. After 1 minute, plug the base back into the power outlet. The reset process is now complete. For Tempur-Pedic Ease 3.0 models, you'll need to repair your remote with the base. This process synchronizes the remote signal with your specific base. Remove the rear cover of your remote to expose the pair button. You'll find this button on the back of the remote control. Within 10 seconds of plugging the base back in, press and hold the pair button on the remote. The button will illuminate and start flashing. When the pair button stops flashing, release it and test all remote functions to ensure proper pairing. For general pairing on other models, you'll use the battery backup box located under your adjustable base. Locate the battery backup box under your base and press the button twice. A light will illuminate, indicating the base is ready for pairing. On your remote, press and hold the pair button until it lights up and starts flashing. Wait for the flashing to stop, then release the button. If these advanced solutions don't resolve your remote issues, Tempur-Pedic customer service is available to provide additional assistance and troubleshooting. These advanced troubleshooting steps should resolve most remote connectivity issues. Remember to test your remote functions after each step to confirm the problem is solved.